How to set margins in Word. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can set margins in Word. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open any document in Word and then you're going to head over to Layout. And over here at the left side, you'll be able to see margins. Click on it. You can simply select any one from the built-in ones, like we have the normal with 1 inch top, left, bottom, and right. We have is narrow. And then we can also select moderate, wide, mirrored. And you can also set custom margins by clicking on custom margins and then specifying all of your inches of top, left, gutter, bottom, right, and gutter position. You're going to simply select the orientation, like if your page is portrait or landscape, and then click on OK. Now let's say you want a margin lines at the sides of your page. To add them, you're going to head over and click on design and then click on page borders. Here you're going to click on box and you can simply select the kind of lines you want. Click on OK and you can see that you have successfully set margin lines across all of your pages. So that is basically how you can set margins in Word. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.